right, our oil pan, done, on, finito, finished. So now I'm gonna get our sleeve out of the washer. Oops, sorry. Sleeve out of the washer, get our balancer. I'm gonna paint them black. I'm gonna mask this off, paint timing cover blue, and that way I can actually put our water pump on. Got our water pump.
This weighs a ton.
Got our gaskets. Ready to go. Yeah, stick her on there. Line it up and I'll stick it in.
Over.
Up, up, up.
So get this side started.
Yep, go down a little. Up a little. There we go.
Can't get this one started.
Sorry, I'm multitasking. I'm videoing and trying to start bolts and see where we're going. Sorry.
That one scooted.
Crappy video because I'm trying to do 5 things at once.
To scoot?
Yep, the gasket scooted.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh, get in there, you son of a bitch. All right, let me go to the other side. Beep, beep, toot, toot. Toot, toot, beep, beep, yeah. Toot, toot. Beep, beep. All right, those are started. We'll button that up. We'll mask what we need to mask, and we will spray that. We also have our sleeve on and painted. The balancer and the bolt are outside. They're already painted as well. And we'll go from there. Our water pump is on. Look at that. Right. Balancer on, sleeve on, balancer bolt on, water pump on. We're looking good. Coming together. Got the front part here painted. Looking pretty, looking nice. So early next week, I will tear down the factory rocker arms, clean everything, reassemble, bolt them down to the proper torque spec, and then we can finally measure for our push rods. It's gonna be great. Yep, and get that done. Figure out what valve spring we're gonna need, and then go from there.